Now we are looking at setting up equations. How do we set up equations and then we solve it? So our first thing is a number when it is multiplied by 4 gives 32. So we don't know the number. So what we don't know, we can keep it x. When multiplied by 4, that means you're multiplying by 4, it is going to give you 32. So this becomes our equation. Let's see the next one. A certain number, I don't know the number, multiplied by 12. So I can say 12x. Result means equal to. It is equal to 96. So this becomes our equation. Next one, let's see the next one. What do we have? Read the question. A number. A number means I don't know the number. Add it to 12. So I take the number, add to 12, gives means it is equal to 55. Sum of a number and 13. Sum means plus. A number I don't know. Sum of a number and 13 is means equal to is 25. Let's see the next one. When 6 is subtracted from a certain number. So I want to have a certain number. When I subtract 6, result means is equal to 14. Number is subtracted from 9. That means from 9, I am subtracting the number. Result means equal to, it is equal to minus 5. Result equal to of dividing number, I don't know the number. Dividing the number by 7 is going to give me 2.5. And the last one, if 28 is divided, put the division sign, by a certain number, I don't know the number, result means equal to is 4. So this is how we set up equations. Now I have set up the equations. I need to solve for it. This is what they are asking us. I need to solve for it. That means I need to find the value of x. Come on, I will solve the first one. I will divide both the sides by 4 because I need to get away from the coefficient. So x is going to be 32 divided by 4. That is 8. Over here. I will divide both sides by 12. So because I want to get rid of this 12. So x is going to be 96 divided by 12. That is 8. I'm going to minus 12 from both the sides. So x will be this 12 and this 12 goes away. 55 minus 12, that is 43. I'm going to minus 13 from both the sides. So my x will be equal to 25 minus 13, that is 12. I'm going to add 6 both the sides. So this 6 and this 6 goes away. So my x will be 20. Now what I'm going to do? I'm going to add x on both the sides. This x and this x will go away. Then I will add 5 on both the sides. This 5 and this 5 goes away. And I'm left with 9 plus 5. that is x is equal to 14. I'm going to multiply both the sides by 7. So I will get x is equal to 2.5 into 7. That is 17.5. Here I am going to multiply both the sides by x. So I will get 20, x and x will go away. Then I will divide both the sides by 4. So my x will be 28 divided by 4. So it is going to be x is equal to 7. It is always advised pause the video, solve, come back, check. Okay. Now we start with the first example. Let's read the question properly. What does the question tell us? Mother was 26 years old when I was born. Now she is 3 times as old as I am. What is my present age? I don't know my present age, and that is what I have to find. So, what you have to find, let that be x. So, I would say, let my present age be x. If I would say, let my present age be x, now we make the equation. Mother was 26 years old when I was born. She is presently 3 times as old as I am. So mother's present age is how much? Mother's present age is 3 times means 3 multiplied by what I am, and my present age is x. When I was born, she was 28. That means the difference between my age and my mother's age. And mother's age is how much? 26. So I would say, since the difference between our ages is 26, so mother's age, that is 3x, minus my age, that is x, the difference is 26. I get the equation. Setting up the equation is done. Now I need to find my age. What I would do? 3x minus x is 2x is equal to 26. Now I will divide both the sides by 2. So I will get x is equal to 26 divided by 2. 26 divided by 2. So this becomes 13. X is equal to 13. I will give you one similar sum to practice for yourself. Now I've given you 4 sums for your practice. This is your question number 1. You will pause, try the sum, and then look at the solution. This is your question number 2. You will pause, try, then look at the solution. 3 for your practice, and the 4th one again for your practice. After you're done, you would come and look at the solution. Let me do one with you. What do you have to find? How old are they now? Who are? Father is 30 years older than his son. Okay, that means a father is 30 years more than his son. So I would say the son is smaller. Whoever is smaller, keep them x. So I would say let the son's age be x. So father's age will be he's 30 years older. In 10 years, that means after 10 years. Son would be x plus 10 and father would be x plus 30 plus 10 years. That means he will be x plus 40. So I have our current ages and after 10 years the ages. So in 10 years, he will be twice as old as his son. He is who? Father. So what is father's age in 10 years? This is father's age in 10 years. He will be twice as old as son. So what is the son's age after 10 years? X plus 10. I would equate this and get the value of x. So x is the son's current age and the father's current age would be x plus 30, that is x plus 30, that is equal to 50. It is very important to understand over here that the equation would be for after 10 years. So I need to find the current ages, I need to find the age after 10 years. After you've tried this, brother is twice as old as his sister. So brother is 2 times sister. Sister is younger, so I would say let the sister's age be x and the brother is 2 times older, so he's 2x. 4 years ago, that means before 4 years. Brother was 3 times. So before 4 years, I need to find the age. So sister must be x minus 4 and the brother's age 4 years ago would be 2x minus 4. Now this is for equation. 4 years ago, brother was, what is the age of the brother? 2x minus 4. He was 3 times as old as his sister. His brother was means equal to 3 times, times means multiplied, as old as his sister. So sister's age is x minus 4. This is all 4 years ago. So I am taking brother's age also 4 years ago, sister's age also 4 years ago. And this is the equation. Brother was 3 times as old as sister, but all of this I need to take 4 years ago. I would equate this and I would find the value of x. So x is the sister's age, brother's age would be 2 times x, that is 16. There are similar two sums for you to practice in the worksheet, which you will find on our website. Now let's look at this example. A parallelogram has longest side 5 times than the shortest side. Whatever is small, you take as x. So longest side is 5x, shorter side is x. If perimeter is 9.6, what is length of the long side and what is the length of the short side? Perimeter means what? Sum of all the sides. So I would say the short side is x, long side is 5x. Sum of all the sides, that means 5 plus 5 plus x is 9.6. I would get the value of x. Okay. So my shorter side is 0.8 meter and the longer side would be 5 times x, that is 5 times 0.8. That would give me 4 meter. This is how we make equations and we solve sums related to equations. Very quickly, father is 3 times as old as daughter. First you need to try, pause, then come back. So daughter is younger, so I will take daughter is x. Father is 3 times as old as daughter, so father will be 3x. If father is 31 years older than his daughter, what are their ages? If father is 31 years older than his daughter, it means the difference between the age of father and daughter is how much? 31. That means 3x minus x is equal to 31. So I would say x is 31 by 3. X is 31 by 3. If I divide it, I'm going to get I've done a mistake over here. 3x minus x is 2x. So my x would be 31 by 2. 31 divided by 2 is 15.5. So my daughter is 15 years, 5 months, or 15.5 years. And father is 3 times the age of the daughter. That is 3 times 15.5. So the age of the father would be 46.5 years. This you would do it on the calculator. Okay. Now there is a short question for you. Think and then justify. Pause and think. Always pause and think. 4 more than a number is divided by 3 and then multiplied by 2 to give the result of 4. What is the number? You need to always think and then come back. Always think and then come back. So I hope you've got the answer. Come on, tell me what is the answer. 4 more than a number. Number is x. 4 more than a number is divided by 3 and then multiplied by 2 to give the result of 4. What is the number? Think over it. So first I will divide both my sides by 2. So if I divide by 2, this goes away and I am left with 2. Then I will multiply both the sides by 3. So this will go away. I'm left with x plus 4 is equal to 6. So my x is 6 minus 4. So my x is 2. The number is 2. It is very important for you to think. A last question for test for you. Pause, think, and then redo. Amira is twice as old as her cousin Pam. It means Pam is small. So if Pam is X, Amira's age would be how much? 2x. Then 9 years ago. If 9 years ago, I will equate Pam and Amira's age. Pam would be x minus 9 and Amira would be 2x minus 9. Now this is their equation. 9 years ago, so I have to take this. Their combined ages, that means sum of their ages. This is Pam's age and this is Amira's age. Combined age is 18. I open the brackets. I have x minus 9 plus 2x minus 9 is equal to 18. Get the like terms together. Minus 9 and minus 9. If I have to remove, I will plus 9 and plus 9 2 times. So this will go away. I'm left with x and x. I'm left with 3x is equal to 18 plus 9 plus 9 is 36. So I am left with x is 36 divided by 3. I'll divide 3. So I'm left with 12. So present age of Pam is 12 years and present age of Amira is 2 into 12. That is 24 years. With this, we complete setting up equations. practice more sums, which will be there in your worksheet section, and then come back.